Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, two knives to unbox, two different variations of the Kizer Mini Sheepdog. One from a person and from a individual, and the other from Blade HQ. So I'm pretty excited about that. So let's get into it. Using the O-Knife Beagle. Just got this knife in today. Did an unboxing on it and kind of a first impressions, but I think I like it, especially that harpoon blade shape. Might have to acid etch stone wash this thing because I like it, but the satin blade is just a little meh, you know. So, all right, we'll start with the, I guess you would say, least interesting. Nope, I did that wrong. This is the one we want to open first. See if I can do this without giving any information away. Tell you what. Just go off to the side. How about that? There we go. Always cut away from yourself, kids. Very good slicer. Very sharp. Ta-da. So, stuff just keeps flying into frame, I swear. Let's try this out. See what's going on here. Your normal Kizer packaging. You have your little envelope with your owner's manual and your little microfiber cloth in it. And here it is. This is, I let one of these go so long ago and regretted it ever since. And so I had to get one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, had to get another one. Oh yeah. For some reason, oh yeah, that action's great. I didn't like the ergonomics as much at the time. But now that my tastes have changed a little bit, I do like this quite a bit. Oh yeah, I love it. This one's in 154 cm. Non-deep carry pocket clip. That was one thing I didn't like about this knife. And something that this other version handles. So, story behind this is, I found this one for a very good price. I pulled the trigger because I've been looking for one. And, you know, kind of, as soon as I bought it, maybe same day or day after, I realized that the one that I actually wanted was in stock at Blade HQ. And so I had to order it too. So, but yeah, I really like this one. Really like it. The action's great on it. Feels good in the hand. I miss having this knife. Really miss it. And I had patinaed the micarta quite a bit, or, you know, darkened it with my sweat and stuff. I know I've missed this knife ever since I got rid of it. Great action. So let's set that down here. Let's open up this other one. This one came from Blade HQ, as I mentioned before. Hoping to see some stickers. That thing is pretty sharp. Kizer's the OEM for O-Knife, and I swear, Kizer is just, I haven't explored them much. And then I got, you know, kind of exposed to some of them and then started to really like them. And so, yeah, I'm really starting to enjoy this. I'm going to set this over here. So, dump it out. Come on, stickers. Yeah, I got one. Sweet. Another Kizer box. Just bought a knife. I've actually got this one up on my workbench here that I do these unboxings at. So let's close this so I don't cut my hand or something. Alrighty. Same boxing as before. You have your envelope on top. But boom. Oh no. Oh no. I thought I ordered the mini sheepdog. Oh no. This is the, oh no. Oh, well, I didn't know they made a full size in 10V, but here we are. Wow. Good gracious. Well, I have made a mistake. Dang it. Dang it. Thought I was ordering the mini. Well, still a really cool knife, though. 10V, man, that's quite a steel. Quite a tool steel. Very tough. Dang it. Oh, well. I guess I'll go check the order and make sure I got the right thing, but this might have been user error. Oh, well. But hey, it's still an awesome knife. Just not what I wanted. I really like the mini size just because of the compactness of it and all, but here they are beside of each other for size reference. We'll just throw the Beagle in there just for fun. Oh, well. Oh. Well. Oopsie. There we go, though. Full-size sheepdog, huh? Well, I may as well check this thing out while I have it in. Feels pretty nice. Really good in hand, especially with that little finger choil almost there. Well. Oh my. Guess I need to pay better attention. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up, please. Hope you have a great day and be kind.